Everyone, I'm going to show you how to use this GG filter tool. So what this tool is basically just a filter for selecting lights. So to use it, you just go over here and click GG filter, and then it gives you two filtering options. The first one is to filter by parameter, and the second one is to filter by mullion. So showing you the filter by parameter, you can select any of these long list of parameters, and then I'm going to just choose byte left and find any lights with a 1/2 inch byte left. So I hit it, gave me these 32 lights. And going back, I'm going to show you the mullion filter. It does take a couple seconds to load. If you have a lot of lights in your project, it might take even over a minute. I don't have that many, so it should only be like 15 seconds. So I'm going to choose a light with these mullions around it. Hit OK, and you see it has these 36 lights selected. And that's how you use this GG filter.